Hello there. This is your virtual lab. So I just want to go through it with you. That way you will not be confused. Basically, a Nearpod, you just click through these slides. You see the little arrows. Read the content and then click through. Basically, this would be a worksheet I would give you to take notes on if we were here in person. So I'd encourage you to jot down something similar in your notes. That way you can refer back to it. But I do also want you to put your answers on the actual slides. So like I said, just read through each of the slides as we go through. And then it's going to have things for you to interact with. Like this is a virtual reality of you seeing a skate park. Then here is a question for you to answer. So basically you just type in here your answer, whatever you think the answer to the question is, and then you just continue, and that'll let you see the next part. It says record your observations. So like I said on your notes, you should be writing down, okay, in the virtual reality I saw this, or whatever. Then it's going to kind of guide you to answer questions. So this is something that the other students would be able to see what you write. So I want to know how people can get hurt while skating, just as an example. And you'll be able to see other people's question there, etc. As you go, just want to skip ahead a little bit. Anytime you see this thing that says discussion, I encourage you to maybe text a friend from class. It can still be interactive even if you're doing it on your own time, right? Let me just skip ahead to the actual thing. You don't skip the questions, you do the questions for real. But eventually you're going to get to this simulation. So this is a draw it question. Basically, you can mark it up here. You can say, okay, I'm going to check this. I'm going to use this design. You're going to move this guy over here. This is your plan for the experiment. Then you actually come over here to the real thing. You can say, okay, this is the ramp I want to use. Bring the person over. Oh, there goes the person. I want to use the pie chart, the bar chart. I want to get them going here, and I'm making my observations. Make your notes on your paper. Then after you've done your test, you just keep writing all the questions here. So hopefully this will make sense. The main thing for you to notice on the simulation is these different types of charts that show the different types of energy. So I want you to observe what happens with the total energy versus each type of energy and see what you can learn about that. That's the main thing you should be getting from this. So good luck, have fun.